Good morning, everybody. It is Saturday morning. So you know what time it is? Oh, it's 8:46. But I don't mean it like that. I meant today I will be coloring my hair. Let y'all see it. Wash it and do a retwist. I've been doing my own retwist for a couple months now. I'm not even a year into my lock journey, and I think I'm doing a good job. I think. So one of my best friends, she did my color. You see, it's a dark brown color, and she missed the most important parts of dyeing my hair. Look at that right there. Look, you see how bright that is? That is matte. So I have decided to change my hair color. That was what, almost 3 months ago. So I'm just gonna change it because I want it to be lighter. So I'm going with the Creme of Nature Honey Blonde. So because my hair is a little darker, it's not gonna be as light as I would want it to. And that's okay. I just want it to be a little bit light. So it's probably gonna look something like this. That's what I'm doing today. So stay tuned. Okay, so let's see what comes in the box. All right, I know this is a 3-step process, so there's only 3 things that will come in there. Well, 4, including the gloves, which is what I'm gonna show you here on the piece of paper. It's kind of thin. I don't really like using these gloves, but you know, since it's in there, I might as well use it. So first we're going to cut open the cream color developer, and then we're gonna add the ammonia-free colorant and shake it.
Let me show you how to shake it. Shake it real good.
Okay, so I have my mixture ready. I changed my shirt because I didn't want to mess up that other one. And I sectioned my hair into 4 parts. So I just slowly work. I always do the ends first. So I'll do the end, and then I'll go back in and do the roots. Because I think it's gonna take a lot more time and stuff for to get into the end part. So I wanna work on the end first in my little 4 sections. So I'll be back once I get to the front, because the back is gonna take me some time to do. Okay? All right. Okay, now on to the front. As you can see, I am putting the mixture on the ends of my hair, and I'm trying to make sure that I coat it very well, because I didn't want to leave any, you know, dark spots in between, but I knew it was gonna be there, but I still wanted to try and make sure that I cover it as much as possible. So my technique was just going one by one. I know it would take longer, but I felt that was the best way to get it covered as much as possible. Alright, so I already went through the first layer. I think it started to finally change, so that's good. What about this side? I think it is. Ooh, okay. I think the color is finally starting to change already. So, I already finished one bottle. And I already went through half of this. Oh, damn. So, now I just need to finish, especially the roots, to get the roots done because I don't want, and to make sure my gray hairs, them colors, yeah, that's the priority really. Them gray hairs right here, I don't want to see them things at all. Yeah, and I forgot to base my hair with oil, so oh well. Let's continue. Okay, so I went back through, made sure I coat all of my roots. Some parts of it already changed colored, so that's good. I just, like I said, I want to focus on, you see, there's still like black hair in the front and my gray hair is still there. So what I'm going to do is I have my plastic cap. I'm going to use 2 of them, cover it up, and ooh, look at that. I think my color coming in. Ow! Ow! Kind of happy since this is my first time doing this. But yeah, I'm just gonna cover it up and leave it for about, let's say 30 to 45 minutes. Or around that time I will check it to see how the color is coming in, if it's taken or not, or if I need to like sit down for a little bit longer. Well, I ain't gonna be sitting down. I got things to do. I gotta wash plates and mom life, you know. So yeah, it's fully coated. I love that it's starting to change color already. Yeah, I just want to make sure I get everything out of the bottle because I paid for this. That's all. That is all, guys. There. Yes. And my edges. How my edges gonna be black and the rest of my hair is brown or blonde looking? Right? Gotta make sure I got that part too. Yeah, that's it. No more left in the bottle, bro. Alright, let's see. Make sure I coat everything in there. Yeah. And now, wait to see the final color. Let me go do these dishes. Ooh, okay guys, it's been 30 minutes. It's not looking bad at all. So right here, it started burning. And I had to call my best friend. I said, girl, my shit is burning. She said, did you remember to put petroleum on, you know, your edges and your nape? And I said, no. She said, were you scratching it like before you started? Yeah, I was. She's like, hopefully there won't be any like bumps and redness. Ain't nobody tell me that. It wasn't in the directions. Was it in the directions? I don't know. Well, step 1 and step 2 is complete. Now it's time for step 3. It's a quick view before I actually wash it out. Ooh. Ah! Okay, so y'all ready to see this? It looks more copper than blonde, like I want it. What was I? What does that look like? It might look like that. I don't know. I think it looks a lot more copper than than blonde. So I guess this is a color fail. Oh well, time to get it retwisted. And then I'll show y'all the final results after my retwist. Later.
I still look good though.